Unlock the secrets of QR code analytics. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of QR code analytics. You've probably seen QR codes on advertisements, products, and even tickets. But did you know they hold a treasure trove of data? Join us as we unravel how businesses use QR codes to understand and engage with their audience better. Before we talk about analytics, let's understand what a QR code is. A QR code, or quick response code, is a two-dimensional barcode. When scanned with a smartphone, it directs you to online information, like a website or a video. It's like a quick link from the physical world to the digital one. Now, onto the main topic, QR code analytics. This refers to the data collected when people scan a QR code. Just like website analytics, QR code analytics provide insights into how people interact with the code. This might include the number of scans, the location of the scans, the time of the scans, and the type of devices used. Why bother with this data? Well, QR code analytics are crucial for businesses and marketers. They offer a clear picture of customer engagement and campaign performance. For example, tracking effectiveness. By analyzing scan data, companies can see which QR codes are getting attention and which aren't. Understanding audience. Information like location and time can tell a lot about the audience interacting with the QR code. Tailoring strategies. With this data, businesses can refine their marketing strategies, tailoring them to specific audiences or locations. Using QR code analytics is straightforward. Businesses typically use a QR code generator that includes an analytics feature. After generating a QR code and distributing it, they can then monitor the analytics dashboard to gather insights. The key is to regularly check this data and use it to make informed decisions. QR codes are more than just digital gateways. They're powerful tools for understanding and engaging with your audience. With QR code analytics, businesses can unlock valuable insights, refining their strategies for better engagement. We hope this video sheds light on the potential of QR codes in your business or project. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the digital world.